Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I am back with another small interesting video where I have got my Fazer's rear wheel painted in blue color. So the color is a metallic blue and boy it looks amazing. Alright guys, so that is the rear wheel after the painting process was done, and the paint doesn't have a color code because it's done by a local painter. It's a metallic blue color that you see on the screen. I just zoom it a bit for you. So that's approximately how it looks like. So the wheel was painted in metallic blue, and on top of that there were 2 rounds of clear coat applied, which gave it that glossy look, that glossy finish. And also the clear coat has hardener in it, so it makes sure that the paint is strong and doesn't get removed. Any good local painter should be able to do this job as long as he or she knows what has to be done. So it's very common with all vehicular or automotive paints where on top of the paint layer there is a clear coat done. So guys, I like to discuss a few specifics about this whole job of painting the rear wheel. So what I did is I removed the wheel. So there are n number of videos on my channel where you can learn how to remove this wheel. So wheel निकालना एक relatively simple process है. एक basic axle nut निकालने से ही wheel बाहर आ जाता है. Along with that there is a brake retainer nut and the brake line that needs to be disconnected. So ये दो disconnect करने से और axle nut निकालने से wheel will come out. And I had given this wheel for painting at a local painter and he did a good job. Although there are a little bit of finishing lacks on the lip of the rim, but it still looks pretty damn good. So all I did was I got it painted, and I also put a new tire on this because the last tire had taken a beating during my last monsoon ride. As you guys remember, again there is an I button that will come up to remind you what happened there, and the tire had a flat spot. So that's about it. So got the rim painted and the tire fixed, but make sure that you fix these tires from a person who has a machine to put on these tires, because if you do it manually they scratch the wheel and it looks very bad. Some of it can be found on my front wheel. If you look closely you can see the scratches on the lip, so I will be touching them up with a black paint and finish them to look new. I don't want to paint it blue because I like this asymmetric look where the rear wheel is blue and the front one is black. That's about it. So I got the wheel back home and I fixed it myself. I am not putting the whole process of fixing back the wheel or taking the wheel off because there are too many videos which shows how to do it, so you'll get bored out of it. So if you like the color, if it goes well with the bike, do let me know in the comment section and give it a like if you like the video. So this is more of just a showcasing video where I'm just showing the job that has been done on my bike, and the total cost that was incurred in the process was 1200 rupees. That was a painting cost. To put on the wheel they charged me 100 rupees, and to remove the old tire they charged me around 70 rupees, and the rest was just logistics going up and down. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and please share the links with people who might enjoy or like such videos. Thank you again. Have a nice day.